Is triangle ABC obtuse angle? So we have a triangle. Let's say this is A, B, C. We usually ascribe lowercase letter just opposite to the angle. So B is here, C is here. Let's say if A is the greatest side, so A square equals B square plus C square, that means the angle A is 90 degrees. If A square is greater than B square plus C square, that makes angle A greater than 90. If A square is less than B square plus C square, that makes angle A less than 90. Let's have a look at statement 1. A square plus B squared greater than C square. Okay, so this doesn't help us to decide whether it is obtuse or not, because we don't know C is the greatest, whether it is greatest side or not. Let's say 5, 6, 7. This is acute angle triangle because 49, 7 square is less than 5 square plus 6 square. 6 square, which is 25 plus 36 equals 61. So this is acute angle. So let's say C is 5. 5 square, which is 25, and A square, let's say 36 plus 49. But if C is the greatest angle, if C was the greatest angle, we knew that. So that means A square, 5 square plus B squared, which is 6 squared, if it is greater than the greatest side, which is C, 7 square. So that makes this case. So 7 square is less than B square and C square, this case. So this makes us to give definite answer no. If this is the case, this has to be acute angle triangle. But since we don't know whether C is greatest or not, we can't say proper answer. So this is not enough. How about statement 2? So statement 2. The center of the circle circumscribing the triangle does not lie inside the triangle. So we have a circle and it circumscribing the triangle. That means all the vertices are on the circumference. So it might be this way. So let's say this is the diameter and center of the circle. If this case, let's say this is A angle, A is definitely greater than 90 degrees because we know that the angle C is the diameter has to be 90 degrees. And let's say this is B and C, this is E, D and E. So BAC angle definitely greater than 90 degrees. But how about this? Because it says does not lie inside the triangle. It may be on the side of the the center might be on the side of the triangle. If this is the case, it does not lie inside the triangle. So if this is the case, ADE triangle, for this case A is 90 degrees, which is not obtuse angle or acute angle, but it is right angle. So this is not very clear also. If we take them together, again it will not help us because we don't know C is greatest value or not. So, or which side is A, which side is B, which side is C. So if we take them together also, we can't give answer. That means we need extra information.